Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, I just woke up. It's about 8:30 and I have coffee. I have this fire going. I wish I could say I built the fire, but I definitely didn't. Walter, I'm up with Walter and Andrew and we have a contractor coming this morning. Andrew's officially like on holidays, kind of. So we are going to go head to the condo to meet the contractor for kind of a special project that we're doing. So I don't know whether I'm going to show it or not, because I feel like it might be better to do a big reveal, but I could just get too excited and show everyone as soon as it's finished. But yeah, then today I am going with Natalie and my parents, Jordan, to look at a wedding venue. I don't think I will film it because in case they choose it, I feel like I don't know. Ooh, Walter. Maybe I will. He loves to stay right by the fire. I'm scared he's burning his skin off. Here, have that. And then we are gonna go later tonight and play volleyball with my cousins. Indoor volleyball, which sounds kind of fun. Well, it doesn't sound fun, it is fun, but it sounds like a fun day. So hopefully these bags under my eyes from last night will subside. I really need to buy iPads, like eye patches. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this coffee and then head out in like an hour. Who's that? Hi. No. Look at your little friend. Who's this? Who's this? Oh, I missed you so much. You don't want the camera in your face, do you? Starting out this morning at the condo. Just got here. The contractor's, or yeah, he's a contractor. He's downstairs just bringing stuff up, and I'm excited. Nothing in the kitchen. Nothing in the kitchen is happening today. Actually, the crazy thing is our countertops are going in on Christmas Day. The guy that installs it, him and his crew don't celebrate Christmas, so we get our countertops Merry Christmas to us. And then kind of after that, everything's gonna keep moving. But honestly, Andrew and our goal this week is to, oh, sugar. Our goal is to tackle this, get everything undusted, dusted off, undusted, and kind of move things around so that when the kitchen starts up again, we can kind of cordon that area off. And we're getting rid of our couch, so that'll be gone. Yeah, I'm excited, but they're gonna come in any minute. So, just love the color in here too. Feel fire. So pretty. How are you doing? Oh, this is cute. Where'd you get this from? Urban Planet. Your favorite store?
Screen in here so no one can see the bride until she's at the bottom of the aisle. And then there's 2 sets of stairs going up. There's also a shuttle. It's like an extension.
Hi, Dad.
He's off this weekend, so I put a lot of the responsibility.
I'm home now. We went out for dinner and honestly that venue was like an hour and a half away. Or no, it was like an hour away. So it was like a lot of driving. So we just came home. We basically at dinner just talked about the venues and things like that. So home now. We are gonna go, I look crazy. We are gonna go play indoor volleyball with my cousins. Amy Lee's not coming anymore because she's kind of not feeling well. Andrew, Aaron, and we are gonna go, and I think it's gonna be really fun. Hopefully I can get some cool footage. I'm gonna try and film. I've never gone. I'm also not like really good at indoor volleyball. Well, indoor. I'm not really good at volleyball, so I'm more going for fun. Okay, but I'm lying down for just like a minute. I'm really tired. I gotta get changed. What are we doing?
Beach volleyball.
Beach volleyball. We're at this like beach volleyball court place. All sand. It feels so weird. I'm wearing boots on sand. It's very warm in here.
I don't know why.
Are you excited to?
I don't know why. I don't know why.
Are you excited to play beach volleyball?
I'm so excited. Claire and I are gonna be like, bomb. I'm gonna set her up. She's gonna hit it. It's gonna be great.
I'm
excited. We're gonna pepper. We're gonna do quicks. It's gonna be crazy.
We won! Yeah, we're so good.
We're like, you should have seen the hits.
Yeah.
And
we're basically like
saves.
pros.
We really are.
They
should hire us as examples.
They asked us to join the league, but we're like, we're way too busy. We shut this.
It's a common struggle that we have, you know?
Exactly.
But they offered to sponsor us, but
I'm like, only for 100 grand.
exactly.
We shut this place down.
Yeah. They couldn't compete with us. No. So, oh my gosh.
I know. The sand is actually kind of uncomfortable.